Welcome to Playbot. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create automated broadcast messages. In the dashboard, navigate to the automation menu where you'll find the existing broadcast list. Now, click the Create button to craft a new broadcast message. This process involves 5 steps. First step, assign the bot or template to the broadcast. In this step, you'll be prompted to select the bot or template that will be used for the broadcast message. You'll see a list of bots that have been created previously. It's important to note that only business interaction conversation type bots will be listed here. The reason is that WhatsApp allows template messages solely to initiate new conversations. If you need to assign a WhatsApp template to the broadcast message, you can do so by tapping the WhatsApp template tab and selecting the appropriate template message. In my case, I'll choose to initiate a bot message for the broadcast. So I select the master check bot. Second step is, choose the contacts. In this section, you'll see a list of all contacts available. Additionally, Playbot provides filtering options on the right-hand side. You can filter contacts based on tags and contact groups. For instance, if you need to send the broadcast to a specific group of contacts, you can filter them here. For testing purposes, I'll select the first 2 contacts from the list and save the selection. Next step is, schedule the time. You have the option to choose when the broadcast message should be sent out. If you want to send the broadcast immediately, select Send Now for immediate delivery. Alternatively, if you prefer to schedule the broadcast for a later time, navigate to the Schedule menu. Here, you can specify the date and time for the broadcast to be sent. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose from multiple repeat options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Within each option, you can further customize the recurrence interval. For example, if you select monthly, you can set the start date for the recurrence and specify whether it should repeat every month or every 2 months. Furthermore, there are options to select specific days within the month. For instance, I'll set up first day of the month. Other options include selecting the week you prefer. I choose to send messages on the first Monday of the month. Finally, you have the option to set an end date for the broadcast. However, if you wish to specify an end date, you can choose a date when you want the broadcast to stop. For instance, I'll set the end date to 1 year from today. Additionally, you'll receive a notification message regarding the recurrence settings you've configured. We'll also explore yearly scheduling. Similar to before, you'll set the start date and specify how often the broadcast will repeat over the course of the year. Additionally, you can choose the specific day of the week and week of the month for the broadcast to occur. For testing purposes, I'll opt to send the broadcast immediately and save the settings. Here, I'll add the broadcast name and provide a description for it. Once you're satisfied with the settings, you have the option to activate the broadcast schedule immediately by selecting Activate. Alternatively, if you're not ready to send the broadcast yet, you can choose to keep it inactive for now. In my case, I'll activate the broadcast schedule to start sending the bot message to the selected customers. Once activated, Playbot will begin sending the broadcast message according to the specified schedule. Now published. That's it. Broadcast has been successfully scheduled and activated. You can monitor the status of your broadcast, including replies, successful deliveries, failed messages, and read statuses. Now, let's check the inbox for any replies and review the live status once more. It appears Emily Johnson has replied. The bot has been activated, engaged in conversation with Emily, and assisted in booking an appointment. Indeed, the appointment has been successfully booked. Let's recheck the live status again. One customer has replied, and all status updates are visible here as well. Thanks for watching.